Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you people how I made this knotless braided wig. Look at this wig, guys. Just look at this. Okay, so just follow me to the end of this video. I'll guide you step by step on how I achieved this. Okay, just look at this wig, looking so beautiful and amazing. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, consider doing that. Support me by subscribing. So guys, first thing is to do the ventilation. So this is the full lace Swiss lace that we'll be using. Okay, so to do your ventilation, make sure that the place that has the hook is always inside. Okay, don't make that mistake of ventilating outside. The hook should be inside while you ventilate on the outside. So I'll just fix this on my mannequin head. So the first thing now, what I normally do is to count 6 holes. Okay, I normally count 6 holes after the hook. Okay, this is to cover the hook part. I count like 6 holes from the hook part, then I start my ventilation. Guys, this is the first step. For you to braid first, you need to at least ventilate your lace. So I'm going to guide you guys through right from the ventilation to the end, to the braiding, every process, treating of the lace before braiding, everything. Guys, I'm going to guide you guys through. So the first thing now is to ventilate. Okay, I'll be using the vertical horizontal pattern of ventilation. I ventilate on a line, I skip a line, I ventilate a hole, and then I skip a hole, picking 1 to 2 strands. Okay, 1 to 2 strands, that's what I'll be picking all through. But for the front, an inch to the front, I will be picking just a strand of hair. Guys, so I ventilate on a line, I skip a line, I ventilate the next line, I skip the next line, I ventilate on a hole, I skip a hole, just like that, picking 1 to 2 strands of hair. Do not pick more than 2 strands. Okay, you won't like your lace or your wig to be looking unrealistic. If you want to have or make a very realistic braided wig, just like the one you saw me put on, then you need to be picking 1 to 2 strands. Do not pick more than 1, especially when you're working with braiding hair, not actual my hair. Okay, so guys, you know that this full lace normally have 3 parts. It has the back side, it has the center part, then it has the front part. Okay, so I'm just ventilating the back side first. Like I said, I'm going to guide you guys through everything, detailed video. This video is very detailed. Okay, right from the ventilation to the braiding, so you have to stick to the end of this video so you'll be able to catch every step. Okay, I did not skip any step. I guide you guys through from step 1 to the end of it all. So stick with me with this video. Okay, so no matter where you choose to start, do not leave that place, then you start from another place, coming back to the first place you started. Okay, you are going to miss it. This is exactly what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, even if you choose to start from the center, do not leave the center, then move over to the end, the other end, maybe from your left or right, coming back to the center. You are going to miss it. So you can only ventilate if you started from the center, then from the center to the other side, then from the center again to your left side, then from the center to your right side. Do not leave the center or the edge, no matter where you choose to start, and then go and start somewhere else, coming back to your first place. You will miss it. So guys, this is simply what I'm doing. I'm ventilating on a line, I skip a line, I ventilate a hole, and then I skip a hole, just like that, picking 1 to 2 strands of hair. Okay, so when I'm done with this first stage, the next stage is to vent the center part of it, which I'm still going to show you guys how I normally do that. Okay, so if you know that you're finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload videos like this, YouTube will notify you. Okay, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, leave a comment down below. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll attend to them. Say something good, guys. Encourage me. Leave it in the comment section. It's not actually easy making this detailed video for you guys, okay? You can encourage me by saying something good about the video, and please like the video. So I'm done with the first part, and this is the second part, which is the center part of the lace. So this is how I normally do it. I first of all go with a vertical line. From the vertical line, and then I continue just like what we are doing. I vent on a line, I skip a line, okay? I vent a hole, and then I skip a hole, picking 1 to 2 strands. Do not pick more than 2 because I'm working with a braiding hair. This is not human hair, okay? This is human hair. If you pick like 3 strands, it's still okay, but for a braiding hair extension, do not pick more than 2, okay? So I vent on a line, I skip a line, I vent a hole, I skip a hole, just like that. So guys, this is simply what I'll continue, okay? Like I said, I'm going to guide you guys through everything, okay? You see that realistic beautiful wig I made, the one I showed you guys earlier? I'm going to guide you guys through from the first part, which is the ventilation, to the treating of the lace after ventilating, then the prepping, from the prepping, then to the braiding, okay? So stick to the end of this video so you'll be able to capture everything. I made this video very detailed, like I went down into details. I did not hide anything. I showed everything, okay? How I normally do my braided wigs, okay? Guys, if you are interested or you want me to make a braided wig for you, either this one of any color of your choice or any type of other braided wigs, be it cornrow or any type, please let me know in the comment section, or you can check the description of this particular video or any of my videos. You have my WhatsApp number or my Telegram number there, so just chat me up, say hi, and let me know, okay? So I'm ventilating just in a line, and I skip a line, I ventilate a hole, and then I skip a hole, just like that. So when I'm done with the second part, which is the center part, so the last one now is the front side, okay? So I'm ventilating on a line following the marked hairline. As you can see, you see the marked hairline there. If you don't know how to do a perfect hairline, or if you got the full lace you got or you bought from the market doesn't have a marked hairline, I have a video on how you can do that. At the second video, the second video I uploaded, the second last video I uploaded, will guide you through on how to mark a perfect hairline, either for frontal or for full lace, okay? So I'm just ventilating following the marked hairline. As you can see there, I ventilate on a line and then I skip a line. So for this front part, this is the first thing I normally do. First thing I do whenever I get to the front side is to vent my hairline first, picking a strand, guys. I said this before now. An inch to my hairline, I pick just a strand, okay? Just stick with me. We see the reason why you need to pick just a strand of hair, because you want your big looking so natural and realistic, okay? So I'm being careful about this. I pick just a strand of hair from the hairline, then an inch to the front line, okay? So I'm just ventilating following the hairline, the marked hairline, okay? Like I said, if you don't know how to mark this, check my video. I have a video on that, which I usually leave it in the description of this particular video. So guys, I'm simply ventilating on the hairline. I'll continue this way till I get to the end of it, then I'll show you guys the next step to take. Okay, if you know you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. Okay, turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video, guys. Share it somewhere. Someone somewhere might be looking for this particular video, so please share the video. Leave a comment. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. Okay, so when I'm done ventilating the hairline, I follow through the marked hairline. Okay, I ventilate on a line and then I skip a line. Okay, just like that. Okay, so guys, when I'm done with ventilating my hairline, the next thing I normally do is to use my pencil to mark a straight line matching one of the lines that I ventilated. Okay, you can choose to start from the center, like I always say. Okay, you can choose to start from anywhere, but for me, I decided to start from here for this particular full length. So when I'm done marking that, matching one of the lines I ventilated while ventilating my hairline, so I'll just go ahead and vent that particular line. Okay, skipping a hole. I ventilate in a hole, I'll skip a hole, then I will ventilate the next hole. Okay, so guys, this video will be of two parts. This is the first part, where I will guide you through the ventilation process and the treatment process. Okay, then the second part of this video is then where I will show you how I prep and then how I braid, because if I'm to combine the whole process in this one particular video, is going to be too long. This one is already 18 minutes long. Okay, I don't want it to exceed that, so I'm just going to cut the video too. So this is the first part. If you get the second part first, don't hesitate to go ahead and watch the first part, so you will see everything, get details of everything. So this is the first part of this video, which I will probably upload the second part. Like I have to split the video into two, because it will be so long if I'm to combine the whole process together. So after ventilating the first line, which regard as a guide, I just went ahead and then complete this space. Okay, following the marked hairline. So I just ventilate on a line, the normal thing they've been doing, then I skip a line, I ventilate a hole, and I skip a hole, just like that. So when I'm done with that part, okay, so the next thing is to continue our ventilation. Okay, following the guide. That is the reason why it's important you make this first guide. Okay, make that first guide by marking it with a pencil. Okay, so like I said, an inch to my front line, I will be picking just a strand of hair, guys. I'm being careful about this. I don't pick more than one, I pick just one. Then after the front line, an inch to the front line, then I can now pick my 1 to 2 strands of hair, but I don't pick more than 2. Okay, so I vent on a line, I skip a line. Once you have your guide, it's just easy access. Just follow your guide and do the whole thing. Okay, so guys, like I said, this video will be splitted into two. This is the first part, which encompasses the ventilation process, the treatment process. Okay, then the second part will be the prepping and then the braiding. If I'm to join the two videos together, it's going to be too long. I don't want it to exceed this. This one is already 18 minutes long, so I don't want it to exceed this. That's why I have to split it into two. So no matter which one you get first, if you get the first part, then go ahead and watch the second part. Then if you see the second part first, then go ahead and watch the first part, so you will see how I vent and then how I treat, then before the prepping and then the braiding. Okay, So I went on a line and I skip a line, just that way. I went on a hole, I skip a hole, just like that. So guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. Okay, subscribe and then give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will attend to it. Like I said, if you want me to make braided wigs for you, either for wholesale or for retail, either for you want you're reselling it or you're making it, using it for personal use, let me know in the comment section, or chat me up. Okay, chat me up either in WhatsApp or on Telegram, or you can equally follow me on Facebook. Okay, just search Gifted Grand Gram Wigs on Facebook, you will see my page. So guys, I'm not doing anything different here. I have to fast forward this so that this video won't be too long. I'm just ventilating on a line and then I skip a line. I ventilate on a hole, I skip a hole, just the normal thing that we've been doing, just like that. Okay, so this is how far I've gone. This is how far. Okay, just like that. I'm not doing anything different. I'm not doing any magic. I'm showing you guys everything step by step. Okay, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Say something good, guys. Encourage me, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up if you find any value from this video. Thank you guys. So guys, this is the final product. Okay, this is after the ventilation. Can you see how the front is? See how natural it is? That's why you need to pick just a strand for your front line. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys now is how I treat. So for the treatment, I just added a conditioner into a hot water, and then I dip it inside the hot water, making sure that every part of the lace is dipped inside the hot water. After the dipping, then I comb it. After combing, I allow it to dry. Guys, when you do this, you are going to get that soft texture as if you are working with hair. Okay, that's why you need to treat your braiding hair, your braiding extension before making the actual braiding. Okay, so guys, like I said, this is the first part of this video. The second part, I'm going to show you guys how I prep and then how I braid. Okay, so don't forget to watch the second part of this video, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so after doing this, you can dry it, you can sun dry, you can still use your dryer to dry. So this is it when the thing is drying. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and then see you in the second part of this video. Okay, bye for now.